Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable Windows Subsystem file for Linux or Windows 11. Search features on or off and open it. Now here you will see this one, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Provide services and environments for running native user mode Linux shells and tools on Windows. So check this box, then click on OK. Now restart your laptop. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 8 or Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.